In this video, I'll show you how to rename a field in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, click on Open Advanced Setup to access Salesforce's administrative settings. Next, go to Object Manager. This is where you can manage different Salesforce objects and their associated fields. Here, search for the object label where you want to rename a field, such as Accounts, Leads, Opportunities, or any other object. For this tutorial, we'll use Opportunity as an example. After selecting the object, go to Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the fields associated with that object. Now, search for the field that you want to rename. Once you find it, click on the field and then select Edit. You can now rename the field according to your requirements. After making the necessary changes, simply click Save to apply the update. And that's how you can rename a field in Salesforce CRM.